dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Good morning, all you fantastic people. So I'm being a little quiet because people are sleeping in the living room. I was watching Jess make these cinnamon rolls, and I'm making them. Okay, like her video just went up. I've watched it twice. I'm like, I'm making that. I'm enjoying my Bones coffee with 1 scoop of the Left Coast Performance MCT and collagen, and 1 tablespoon of pure, and a little bit of almond milk. Oh, and this is the chocolate orange. No, it's not chocolate orange. It's caramel apple. Caramel apple. It's very good. Link in the description. You can save, I think it's $5 off of your first order. And then I get like points to redeem. I actually just bought a Franken Bones t-shirt with the points from you guys signing up for Bones Coffee and ordering and trying Bones. So it's the best coffee I've ever had, seriously. And don't mind this. This is yesterday's makeup, okay? This is what you gotta look like on Sundays. So first, Jess said you need 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. I just got done shredding this. Chris is still sleeping, so my cheese grating man couldn't shred it. So I have 2 cups of my shredded cheese. And then she says 3 ounces of cream cheese. So got my cream cheese. And I'm gonna link Jess's video, of course, in the description. And you can go follow all the correct steps over there. I know now I have to microwave this, so I'm never very successful with fathead dough. We'll just say that. How long do I have to do this, Jess?
Do it for another minute, and then let's get on to the other of shredded mozzarella cheese. And you guys, this does not taste like cheese, so just so you know, right now, don't turn off the video. I swear you will love this. And then 3 ounces of cream cheese. You're gonna put this in the microwave and melt it for a minute. Give it a...
I'm gonna stop the recording because I'm not gonna show you the entire recipe because you can head over to Jess's channel to watch it, but I will show you steps through here and throughout. And jeez, yeah, like that is all. Can you believe I'm on? Wash your face. Don't go to bed with makeup on. So I made the cinnamon rolls. Mine are really, really little because I don't think I rolled mine out to like flatten it enough and then rolled it. So but they're very good. I can taste the pumpkin that I put in them. I used the pumpkin pie spice from Fresh Jax. In the description, 15% off. Organic. That is good. So I went to McDonald's and I like to get sausage, egg, and cheese McMuffin with no muffin. I got 2 of these, and this is breakfast with that cinnamon roll and my coffee. Chris got donuts. Stop! You're gross. Tiffany wants to make Chris cookies before he leaves, so we're making cookies. However, Chris would never in his life try keto cookies. He wouldn't try my cinnamon rolls either. So we're making him these. Here are the cookies!
It looks like it has the disease.
Pretend they're keto. Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nacine. I'm 37. I do keto vlogs mostly. I do keto hauls, keto meal preps, keto reviews, all things keto. I have 4 beautiful kids, a floofy fluffy husky, 2 kitty kitties, and I love the clicky clickies. That's a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow, helps me get out into the YouTube universe, helps me be recognized, and just helps my channel grow in general. Subscribe, like, share, ring the bell so you know when I upload.
Notifications.
And everything he just said. So today we are headed out to Meijer, which is a grocery store in Michigan, and it's also in Illinois and Indiana. I think it may be in other places as well. We are headed there to get some supplies. I need some cleaning stuff, and then we need to stop at the pet store and get some worms for our gecko. And today is an episode of Kids Cook Keto, so Reese will be making meatloaf. You will see that go up later tonight, I hope. And I can't think of anything else to say right now, so we are gonna go ahead and head out, and we will see you soon.
What?
So we're doing an episode of Kids Cook Keto, so that's cooking right now. We're having meatloaf tonight. So while that's going, I'm gonna go start editing tomorrow's vlog. No, my grocery haul. I have a grocery haul to edit, and I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna play some video games, and I'm also heating up some of the jalapeno poppers from Real Good Foods. Yes, I'm heating some of these up in the air fryer, so I've never tried these before. We're gonna see how good they are while I wait for the meatloaf. It's got like 30 minutes left, so chicken soon. Just a boring Sunday. We're not really doing anything. All right, guys, this is dinner. It is Reese's meatloaf, some coleslaw that is leaking over into the cottage cheese, and some cauliflower mash with a chai tea. I'm gonna go ahead and close out the vlog. That's what I'm eating for dinner, and I will see you guys Monday. Bye.